All right, class, here are the solutions to Chapter 13. I will go over them just slightly. You can pause at any time if you need to give anything a longer look. So, 13.1, work together. We did together, but here it is again. You had to calculate their earnings, overtime earnings, and total earnings. There's the on your own. Same thing for 13.1. For 13.2 on your own, you were to then take their total earnings and calculate federal based on the tax table on page 310 and 311. Then their Social Security and Medicare you were to determine by taking the 6.5 and 1.5% and calculating. You were to do the same for the on your own. And then in 13.3, you were to complete the payroll register for the payroll period, July 15th. I believe we did that one together. And then you were to transfer the information to Judy Hensley's earnings record. Again, we did that together. And then for the on your own, there was the two people. You had to do their payroll register, calculate the information, and then transfer Gary Eubanks into his earnings record. Then 13.4, you wrote your payroll check. And there's the two checks for the two employees. And there's the on your own. Then the application problems. First application problem 13.1, you were to complete these not pay stubs, but time cards. Hours worked, overtime hours, information is at the bottom. For 13.2 application problem, you were to take their total earnings and calculate their federal income tax, Social Security, and Medicare. Again, this column is from page 310 and 311, and these columns are simply done by calculating with your calculator. They look a little different here. You're working in Excel. Of course, this is not Excel. This is just an old workbook, so your formatting is a little different. Here's how to complete a payroll register for each employee. You just transferring the information in. It's a lot of time. And fortunately, in today's technology, we have automated systems that do all this work. Here's an employee earnings record, one particular employee for each pay period. 13.5 was the payroll checks. And that was all you had to do. We don't do mastery or challenge problems. So that's it. Like I said, pause.